What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on the Canam again. Now if you guys just saw in the recent video, we just put the shocks that just got rebuilt by J-Tech Motorsports. He did really good. Again, I'll throw his info up right here. He did so good. Look at that. It looks so clean and good. Anyways, so today what we are doing is we're installing pod lights on the Canam. So I actually wasn't going to do these for a while. I was actually going to hold them off on this season, but honestly I came across a really good deal and could not resist the bomb, so I bought them. So see, the only problem is I have the windshield. This windshield goes up and down for those of you guys that don't know. I have the brackets that mount to here, but the problem with it mounting here is that I have that right there, which honestly shouldn't be a problem at all, but I don't know if they're gonna get in the way of the windshield, which they shouldn't, looking at it, because normally this would go here, but had to move it up here, anyways. So yes, pod lights, finally got them. These are spot. Reason why I got spot is because the ones right here that I have separately are actually flood, which these are actually very bright. So you can't even see it because the camera keeps focusing on the sky instead of anything else. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can see it. That's yellow. Let me see. No, that's not working. Maybe now it'll work. Maybe. Ooh. Yeah, see how they're yellow? So these are flood right here, my main light bar, and then I'm gonna install the pod lights. So like I said, I think I'm gonna put them right here off to the side actually, which actually shouldn't be too bad. What I got to do next is, for those of you guys that don't know, which I don't think I did a video on it, I do have a gang switch right there. So obviously I'm gonna run it all, the pod lights and with the gang switch like I have everything else. The only thing is I gotta pull out the seat, which I already got started because I got excited. See, seat belts are off. I was gonna do those two bolts. The seat comes sliding out. I'm not gonna show me doing that because I've done that 1,000 times already. The bracket right here, right? Now the only, obviously the only way I'm gonna put it on is like this, but now that I look at it, it might, maybe not. No, it clears it pretty good, huh? We'll see, because it's being pushed out by the bolts right here. Alrighty guys, so as you can tell, it is the next morning. I just threw everything in the Canam because it did start to get late on me last night. I did put the front shocks in, that's why it became late. I put the front shocks in and immediately started doing that, which ran out of daylight, and I don't really like to work at night or anything. So, but I do got them mounted up. I do kind of like where they are. Now this one does kind of sag down that way, which I think it's just the bracket. I think this just needs to get bent up. Anyways, all right, so you can see I got all this wiring coming up. So I really did not want to have wiring coming down from the side here, feeding down into here. I just don't like to see wiring anywhere at all, which is why, as if you can see, light bar wire is actually over there and hidden. The only wire you actually see, damn, you can't see it. Only wire you actually see anywhere is just the clips and everything for the windshield. So what I decided to do was, I've noticed, see if I can get in here and show you guys, is that, so that hole right there, that hole is actually pre-drilled from factory, so I didn't drill any holes. There's actually another one on the other side, but what I did was, you can see right there, now I do have a little bit of extra wire, which I'm fine with. I'd rather have too much wire than too little wires. Connect it, heat shrink it and all, and then run it through the bottom all the way up to the gang switch right there. Alrighty guys, so They are mounted up, all wired. This one, as you can see, it's ran all the way down and everything. What I had to do was I had to lift up the speaker. You guys will see, probably saw in the time lapse. Lift up the speaker, route it that way, come down through there, and then come out through here. All right, so it's pretty much dark. If you can see, it's dark enough now. So what we're gonna do is, I already have the gang switch on. Let's go ahead. So the top one up here, I have it set for my pod lights. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. Damn, those are bright. Here, let's get inside the car. Ugh. Oh, no, that's bright. That tree, ooh, look at that lightning. That tree's in the way. A little bush, but that's not bad, actually. Let me see. Can I adjust a little bit more? I think it's actually, oh no, it's perfect where it was, right there. Right there's perfect. Let me see if I can get, let me see, I think that tree's in the way. Oh God, that's actually really bright. Let's see here. Oh no, yeah, it's perfect. Where it's at, it's freaking dead on. So now, since it's set where I want it, let's go ahead and tighten them down. Jesus. Me bright. You guys, oh yeah, you guys can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this down here. Oh fuck, I gotta use 2 hands for this. It did move on me. So here they are, all tight, nice and good, shining freaking beyond good. So now my main test that I want to do is to see if it's gonna hit the windshield. Let's see. I don't think it is. Oh no, we're good. I got actually quite a bit of room. I think that's like that on both sides. Let me see here. Oh, that's so bright. I just blinded myself. Yep, perfect. So now, so the problem I have with the windshield when it's up with the light bar is that I get a very, yeah, it's so dark I can't even see. I got all the tools in the way. All right, so the problem I have is I get a glare with the light bar on when I drive with the windshield up sometimes. Damn, no glare, look at that. Actually perfect. See, that's the flood. You can see the reflection I get off the windshield, which isn't bad, but you know, it's kind of annoying too. But so dark, pod lights, floodlight, light bar spot. And that's not a crack, that's just dirt, I hope. So yeah, guys, I think it's gonna finish up today's video. I love these lights. I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes right now, so I'm gonna hurry up and end this video. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hold on socket, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so anytime we upload, you guys will know. And remember, guys, I'm trying to go to Glamis a lot more this year. I'm doing a lot more. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe. Remember, guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see y'all in the next one.